Welcome back to Appetite for the Outdoors, and I'm Chef Chad McIntyre, and today I get a little reprieve. So we're going to be doing some bear sausage and eggs, and the great thing about this bear sausage is it's one of the animals that we harvested out on the show. So we've got some bear meat and some pork to kind of fill the casings, and so we actually do a lot of the grinding and making the sausage ourselves, and so we did a cased sausage. And so we're going to get everything nice and hot here on our Carolina cooker griddle. So we're going to go ahead and put our sausage that's been beautifully seasoned. Since we're working with bear on the sausage right here, like I said, you want to get the internal temperature to about 165, 170. You want to make sure it's cooked through and through. All right, let's go ahead and check the sausage. Perfect. And what goes better with sausage but a couple fried eggs? Use a little bit of the Carolina cooker Cajun seasoning. Toast off an English muffin. I'm going to make a nice little sausage sandwich here in a second. All right, we got our English muffin toasted. Let's go ahead and get this guy off. Nice, easy, quick, we love breakfast around here type of dish. Nice spiciness from the sausage that Chris and the guys make, and nice toasted English muffin here. This is just another fantastic way to utilize some great ingredients. As always, it's great to take wild game out in the field, but it's even better when you can incorporate it into a dish.